As the latest that we are getting on the mega vaccine scam, Bombay High Court says it is concerned about the fraud victims. Maharashtra government has now submitted that over 2,000 people have been defrauded in fake vaccine camps. So Bombay High Court says our anxiety is related to the Housing Society scam. We need to check those jabbed at the Housing Society, find out about the effect of the fake vaccine on the people who actually took it. What's the plan to deal with the fraud victims? BMC and the state have filed separate affidavits in this regard. The court tells the BMC that the anxiety is about what happens to those people who have taken the vaccines, the authenticity of which is still unknown. Disha is joining us with more inputs. So Disha, the Bombay High Court is seized of this matter. Tell us more about the proceedings in court.
Definitely, Afrida, one of the biggest, of course, concerning detail that has come to light today is the fact that more than 2,000 people here in the city of Mumbai have been defrauded, have been given vaccines in the illegal camps that have been organized by the fraudsters in the last 1 month or so. So far, of course, we did not really have a total figure as to how many people have been vaccinated in 9 different locations that were organized by such fraudsters. But now, of course, the Maharashtra government today placing in record in front of the court today, categorically saying that such camps were held in different areas like Malad, Borivali, even Kandivali for that matter, and more than 2,000 people have been given vaccination. So now the biggest, of course, concern further remains that these vaccines that were administered to the people, whether they are genuine or not. So that is something which is still unknown and which is still being investigated by the police and the BMC per se. But the Bombay High Court today expressed its anxiety over this issue, and in fact it has also asked the BMC to find out the effect of this vaccine on the people who have taken. So the Bombay High Court clearly slamming down the government here per se, that if there is a policy in place, then why such incidents have really taken place. And it's not only one such incident here that we are talking about, but in 9 such locations, such vaccination camps have been held, and that too illegally. And plus, we do not even know the authenticity of this vaccine per se. So the court has asked the BMC as well as the Maharashtra state government to file different affidavits on this particular issue, and now the matter will be heard next on 29th of June this year.